Starting your own business, Consulting LLC, can seem like a big leap, but it can be a game changer for your career. Let's break things down. First off, what is a business consulting LLC? Basically, it's a limited liability company where you offer expert advice to businesses. It's perfect for those of you who have experience in business strategy, management, marketing, or any other area where you can guide others to success. Why choose an LLC? Good question. An LLC gives you the best of both worlds. It protects your personal assets and offers flexibility in management. Plus, it's pretty straightforward to maintain compared to other business structures. Here at legalregistration.com, we handle all the nitty-gritty details so you can focus on what you do best, helping businesses grow. Picking the perfect name for your LLC is the next step. Think of something catchy but professional, something that reflects the services you offer. Be sure to check that your desired name isn't already taken. Once you've settled on a name, you can register it through our website. Next up, you'll need to get your paperwork sorted. Don't worry, we're not going to bog you down with endless forms. At legalregistration.com, we streamline the entire process, guiding you step by step. We take care of the registration and ensure everything complies with state laws. Now, what's an LLC without its operating agreement? This document outlines the ownership and member duties in your LLC. It might sound daunting, but it's crucial for keeping everything running smoothly. We provide guidance and templates to make this part painless. You'll also need to get an employer identification number, or EIN. Think of it as your business's social security number. It's required for opening a business bank account and filing taxes. The good news is we can help you get your EIN quickly and efficiently. Before diving headfirst into operations, take a moment to understand your market and define your niche. What industries or types of clients do you want to serve? Having a clear focus not only helps you stand out, but also makes your marketing more effective. Whether you specialize in startups, small businesses, or corporate consulting, positioning yourself as an expert in one area builds trust and credibility fast. Once all that's in place, you're ready to market your services. Start by building a strong online presence, create a professional website, engage on social media, and consider attending networking events to spread the word about your consulting services. Now remember, forming an LLC is just the beginning. The real work is building your brand and reputation. But don't sweat it. Legalregistration.com is here to support you every step of the way. Visit us at legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 if you need any help. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on growing your business. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.